Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. Today I will be presenting the topic the agriculture of plant, which is part of our AGR 519 course. We explore the basic building block of plant from cell to tissue to complete organ and how they all work together to keep plants alive and functioning. Let's begin with an overview. The structure of plant is organized into three main levels: cell, tissue, and organ, which level play a crucial role in growth, survival, and reproduction. By understanding the agriculture, we get a better insight into how plants grow, live, and interact with their environment. First, the basic unit of living organism. The cell, plant cell, are unique because they are specific organized like nucleus, mitochondrial, vacuole, and chloroplast. The nucleus control the cell activity and store DNA. Mitochondria are the powerhouse producing energy. Chloroplasts are where photosynthesis happens for converting light into the energy. And vacuoles help store water, nutrient, and waste while also maintaining pressure within the cell. Cell wall and membrane. Apart from organelle, plant cells have a cell wall and plasma membrane. The cell wall gives plants the aggregate shape, protect the inner part. Membrane control what enter and exit the cell. Together, they support their plant structure and help regulate its internal environment. Plants tissue. Now let's move on. Level up to tissue. Plant tissue are a group of similar cells that perform specific function. There are two main of type: meristematic tissue, which is actively dividing and help plants grow, and permanent tissue, which are fully developed and have specific role. Permanent tissue are further divided into simple tissue like parenchyma, collechyma, and xylem, and complex tissue like xylem and phloem. Ground tissue. Among the simple tissue, we have parenchyma, basic plant cell that carry out most of the plant's metabolic function like photosynthesis and storage. Collechyma provide flexible support especially in growing stem and leaf. Xylem cell with thick wall usually dead at maturity, but they give strong structure support like nutshell or seed coat. Vascular tissue. Now the complex tissue, they are crucial for transport. Xylem carry water and mineral from root to other part of the plants. It makes it hollow dead cell that form tubes. Phloem, on the other hand, transport sugar and nutrient made in the leaf to the rest of the plant. Phloem cells are alive but nuclear and they work closely with companion cell. Plants organ. Let's now talk about the major plants organ. All plants organ, root, stem, and leaf are made up of the same three tissue types: dermal, vascular, and gram. Root anchor the plant and absorb water and nutrient. Stem support the plant and act as highway of or we can call it transporting water and food. Leaf are where most photosynthesis occurs. Leaf structure. Speaking of leaf, they the main site of photosynthesis. The outer layer are the upper and lower epidermis, which protect the leaf and may have a waxy cuticle to reduce water loss. Inside the mesophyll is made of two layers: palisade for photosynthesis and spongy for gas exchange. Stomata are pores that allow gas exchange controlled by gut cell. And finally, the vein is leaf a vascular bundle contain xylem and phloem. Modified organ. Plants are amazing because they can adapt their organ to survive in different environment. For example, modify leaf like spine in cacti to reduce water loss, or insect trapping leaf in pitcher plant for extra nutrient. Modify stem like tuber in potato for storing food, or stolon in strawberry for spreading. Modify root like aerial root in mangrove that allow breathing in swamp area. This modification help plants to survive under stress like drought, flooding, or low light. And next, we go to the summary. To sum up, the agriculture of plant is organized system where cell form tissue and tissue form agent. Cell have specific organelle with special roles. Tissue are specialized for growth, transport, support, and protection. Organ carry out essential tasks like photosynthesis, encourage transport, and storage. Together, this structure allows plants to thrive in almost every environment on Earth. That's the end of my presentation. Thank you for listening. I hope this gives you a clear understanding on how plants are structured and how part of contribute to the plant's life. Bye.